Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I will talk about the seismic zones of Pakistan. I will give you just overview about the seismic zones of Pakistan and about 90 to 95% of the course geology of Pakistan has been completed, and there are, I think, one topic is remaining after this topic, which is ophiolites of Pakistan. Today we will cover the topic seismic zones of Pakistan. There are mainly 9 seismic zones in Pakistan, and I will talk about them according to their sequence. From northern Pakistan, on the extreme north part of Pakistan, as I told you, there are 2 mountain ranges, Hindu Kush, which is come from Afghanistan, and Karakoram, which is come from China. And there are Hindu Kush and West Karakoram seismic zone. So it is in the extreme north of Pakistan, and it is the first seismic zone in Pakistan in the extreme north part of Pakistan, which is Hindu Kush and West Karakoram seismic zone. And after that, the another seismic zone is Yasin seismic zone, which is also I think in the northern part of Pakistan. And after Yasin seismic zone, another is Hamran seismic zone. So Hamran seismic zone is a third seismic zone in Pakistan. And after third seismic zone, there are Indus kohistan seismic zone, and kohistan is the nearby area of the Swat and about few kilometers or nearby area of Hindu Kush. So there are Indus and kohistan seismic zone. And after that, there are another is Tarbela and Lower Hazara seismic zone, and this area is included, or we can say that this region is about the Lesser Himalayas area. So there are Tarbela and Lower Hazara seismic zone, which is the number 5 with respect to the sequence of seismic zone in Pakistan. And after that, in the plain area, there are Punjab Siesmic zone. And there are in Punjab the boundary between upper and lower Indus basin. As we told in the previous lecture, there are Sargodha Height, and above Sargodha Height upper Indus basin, and below Sargodha Height there are lower Indus basin. There are one theory about that Sargodha Height Himalayas are in the north part of Pakistan, so plate uplifting in Punjab and normal fault form. And there are Sargodha and Shahpur Ridge, or we can say there are Sargodha Height, which is the boundary between upper and lower Indus basin. Due to the weight of the Himalayas, the plate is uplifting in Sargodha, and there are Sargodha and Shahpur Ridge form, and it is called the boundary between upper and lower Indus basin. And another seismic zone in Pakistan is Suleman fault belt seismic zone. There are diffuse distribution in the Suleman fault belt seismic zone. And number 8 seismic zone is North Kirthar seismic zone, and the Kirthar is, I think, almost about in the Sindh and Balochistan area. And after that, the another important seismic zone in Pakistan is Makran seismic zone, and we have discussed in very detail about the Makran seismic zone because there are in Makran area subduction of Arabian plate beneath Eurasian plate. So students and viewers, it is all about the seismic zones in Pakistan. And as a student of geology, and if you are professional geology, so you know very well about the seismic zones.